Join everyone. From the picture I perceive four characters. All are males. The age ranging between 13 to 34 years and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is teaching swimming. Ram, 23, is an efficient swimmer. During his free time, he decided to teach swimming to his society children. And during which he found out that two of them are very scared of water and are unable to learn swimming. So he took them to a nearby lake, made them comfortable with water and showed them the beauty of lake. He also taught them that to learn swimming they need to be calm and comfortable with water, and with his help they were able to learn swimming and soon were enjoying their time with water. Thank you.
Join everyone, I perceive four characters in this picture. All the age bracket of 20 to 50 years and having the mood, all positive mood. In this picture, the attraction of my story is the hardworking person earning for his household. Story. In this picture, the Ram, who was 50-year-old boy, 50-year-old man, having used to pull his boat for transporting one place to another in the village. So the person in the past, he was a good rafter and earned so much medals in the rafting competition. After retirement, he thought about to transport people from one place to another for continuing passion. So he transport people from one place to another, and even for by doing his hard work, he can pay for 1,000 rupees per day. Thank you.
Gentlemen, from the picture I have seen four main character. The age are between 17 to 50 years and the mood is all positive. Action of my story is taking boat to cross the river. Mr. Rohan is the senior 28-year-old man, is the senior postman in the Varade town. He help to boat to cross the river and go to outside the river to deliver the post. And thereafter he deliver all the post and register name of the postal side. And then after he returned back from this boat and help the boatman to push up the boats and interacting many people during the journey and enjoy the journey.
Join everyone, I have perceived four characters, all male, age ranging between 21 to 45 years old, positive in mood. The action of my story is starting a boat business to provide connectivity of the village. Sham, 23 years old, a young enthusiastic boy from village Gurdaspur, lives nearby the Ravi river. He observed in the summers when the water level rises, people face issue of connectivity. So to connect with the city, he started a boat business. And first of all, he while paddling up, started the conversations with the fellow passengers and also took their opinions on the village development. He also shared his opinions and took participated in the conversations. He also took very nominal charges and engaged them in the fruitful conversations. With all these efforts, he his boat business get higher and village get development. Thank you.
Yes, everyone. On the given picture, I perceive four characters, all male, age ranging from 10 to 45, in all mood positive. The action of my story is helping a young kid to enroll in government school. Ramesh, a 25-year-old government school teacher, while going to the school, one day he noticed a young boy was rowing the boat. Upon inquiry, he came to know that the young man was rowing the boat for his livelihood and supporting his family. After that, he decided to help him and to get enrolled in the school. He discussed the plan with the teachers, principal, and briefed the parents about the importance of education. They collected the required documents and enrolled him into the school. Thank you.
And everyone, I perceive four characters from the given image, all male, age ranging between 20 to 50 years of age. Overall mood is positive. Action of my story is going for boating with family. Rohit is pursuing BTech from IIT BHU at Varanasi. Rohit loves always adventure activities. Today, Rohit, his father and his small brother came to meet Rohit at Varanasi. Rohit plans and decided to visit Varanasi with his family. Rohit books boat to visit Assi Ghats of Varanasi, and while boating, he also shares the significance of ghats, also shares why the ghat is famous for, and after that they also eats the famous food of Varanasi, and after that they all attended Ganga Aarti at Dattapur Ghat, they spend quality time together. Thank you.
Child everyone, from the given picture, I perceive four characters aged between 19 to 45, all in positive mood. The action of my story is moving from village to city for higher education. Mohan, after clearing his high school examinations with good marks, wanted to get enrolled in Bhopal School of Social Sciences as he comes from a small village in CD. He, after telling his father about his wishes, he told him the pros and cons of the college, the affordability and the nearness from the village. His father agreed as he was a postman and wanted the best for his child. They had to cross a small river to reach the railway station. He was accompanied by his uncle to Bhopal. He gets enrolled in Bhopal School of Social Sciences and gets settled in a PG to complete his higher education. Thank you.
And everyone, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived four characters. All are male, the age ranging between 18 to 40, and the overall mood stands positive. The action of my story is inviting the development into the village. So the story goes like this: Rohan, 18, is a class 12 student who studies in a remote village, of in the central school. Due to lack of development, he and other villagers has to cross the river, and then they have to go to the city for their routine jobs and studies, as there is no direct connectivity between the city and the village. So Rohan was very adamant since his childhood that he has to solve this problem. So he devised an idea that if he tops the class 12 board exams, then he will get the reward from CM, and there he will request him directly so that his village problem would be solved. So Rohan, with his sincere efforts and hard work and consistency, did exactly the same and got rewarded with the CM. There he requested the CM to develop his village by constructing a bridge, and the honorable CM accepted his request, and then the bridge was constructed, and which invited the development in the village. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I perceive four characters, age ranging from 17 to 35, all male. The action of our story is helping out lost postmen. Ramu, a 35-year-old fisherman, was out with his relative for fishing when he noticed a postman on the other side of the river. He reached to him, and upon asking, he got to know that the postman was new to the village and lost his way. He offered him help and showed him the village and took him to his destination. The postman thanked him for his kind work, and Ramu felt inner satisfaction for helping the lost postman.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture, I have perceived four males. All are in positive mood and ranging between the age of 21 to 45. The action of the story is leaving sons to settle in a new city. Ramjilal, a 45-year-old man, is taking both of his twin sons to cross the river. As after successfully completing their 12th class, they have prepared hard to qualify the SSC examination. After qualifying the SSC examination, they have now received their joining letter. As they have received the joining letter, Ramjilal, the father of both the twin sons, have taken both of them accompanied by their fishermen to cross the river to help them settle in a new city. All of them are happy.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture, I have perceived four characters, all male, age ranging between 14 to 36, mood being overall positive. Action of my story is fishing for the first time. Raj is the protagonist of my story. Raj, a 14-year-old adventure enthusiast, was fond of fishing but never tried it once. His father was a fisherman and took him to the pond for first time of fishing. Raj was overwhelmed as he reached the boat. His father, along with his friend, rowed him near the fishing area and taught him how the fishing rod works and the techniques about fishing. Raj understood the assignment and did a great job that day. Raj was happy and felt a sense of satisfaction. Thank you.
Then even from the given story, I have perceived four characters, age ranging between 16 to 38, and all the overall mood is positive. Rahul, the protagonist of my story, is a teacher. He is a BA graduate from Bharatpur University and was dedicated and passionate towards his teaching career. As a result, Rahul used to travel 16 kilometers, 8 kilometers by foot and 8 kilometers in boat. We are crossing the river towards the government school. And he used to also prepare notes overnight and used to find practical ways towards the hard topic which are not easy to understand for the students. So as a result, Rahul used to teach and to teach the students and children of classes 1 to 10, and as a result, the whole literacy rate of the village improved. The students and children took various opportunities in the colleges and various government services. Rahul was proud and happy of his work.
Jai Hind. In a given picture, I have perceived 4 male characters, age bracket between 14 to 24 years old. And the action of my story is increase in tourism near the bank of river, and all were in positive mood. Rohan, who worked as an advisory officer in the Ministry of Tourism, come up with a task by his superiors to increase the tourism in the bank of river of Cholgadi, which is situated in the Narmada, in the bank of Narmada. He went there, talked to many villagers and council members, tell them the scheme about the Narmada cruise scheme, which implement to increase the tourism in a river, in the bank of river. He talked to many vendors and food stallers to tell and to employ them in this scheme, under this scheme. Also, he went to the local art and craft men and talked to them about the plan, and also give them a plan. This helps to generate or to enhance the employment in a village. After talking about the schemes to the villagers, he makes a report and went to superiors and submitted. Later, he found that the tourism has increased in the Cholgadi village in the bank of Narmada river. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 4 characters, all are male, age bracket 15 to 40. Overall mood is positive. The action of my story is taking out the fear of water. Ram is a 24-year-old defense aspirant and had a brother who had fear of deep waters. One day he decided to go for boating with his brother, but his brother refused as he had fear of water. As he was a defense aspirant, he tried to motivate him and asked him to show some courage and get over his fear of water. He took him for boating, and when they were in the boat, he even showed them the boatman's son, as he was the same age as him. And then he got motivated and showed some courage and got over the fear of water, and thanked his brother and asked him to go for boating frequently.
Join everyone. From the given picture, I perceive 4 characters. All mood is positive. Name, age bracket is between 15 to 40. Action of my story is struggling to get to the school on the regular basis. Abhishek, who lives in a small town in Kerala, used to study in the government school. For this, he has to cross the river on the regular basis, and it was a really hectic task just to gain the education. Later on, he somehow completed his education and got an admission in Madras School of Engineering with a decent marks. Later on, he completed his engineering in civil engineering and became a civil engineer to give back to the society. As per his official with the state government, he initiated that we should reach out to the small villages, create the connectivity between the villages, and provide a better infrastructure for those students. He made it, and in the upcoming days, students got a good way to get into the school.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given image, I have perceived mainly 4 characters. All are males. Age bracket is 22 to 36-year-old. All over mood is positive. Action of my story is raising the awareness of the tourism in the village. Ram 28 was the newly appointed head of the village tourism committee. He observed the great potential of the village, which was situated on the river banks of the Chambal. So Ram initiated the task by which they can improve the tourism and tourists in their village, for which they provided the free boat rides to the coming tourists, and to attract them, they also provided them the tourist guide who can make them understood about the culture and the importance of the investment in their village.
Furthermore, they got the great earnings by the new youngsters by investing in their village, and by this they increase the economy of their village. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I pursue this picture, 4 characters in this picture. Age between 10 to 35, mood are positive. Action, helping the younger brother has participated in rowing game. Nabi is a soldier in Indian Army. He is enrolled in 2010 and he is working as a soldier. He wanted to his younger brother participate in rowing game. A vacancy comes in DME center to this participant, and he wanted to leave, and he suggests to his younger brother how to enroll and how the instructions follow. And after that, he successfully enrolled in rowing game, and after 2 years, he won a gold medal in Paris Olympic, and he inspired his organization and he inspired his village also. Thank you.
And everyone, from the given picture, I perceive 4 characters. The age bracket from 15 to 29. The overall mood is positive. The action of my story is using boat to cross the river. Ram is a 15-year-old boy studying in class 10 and lives in a village and goes to the school which is in the nearby city. Ram is among the few children in the village that goes to the school. One day when he was going to attend, going for his board examination, he saw that the bridge which is over the river has collapsed. So he stayed calm and start searching for the alternative way to head towards the city. Then he saw a fisherman in his boat at the bank of the river fishing. So he immediately rushed towards the fisherman and told the fisherman about his problem and asked him to help him to cross the river. So the fisherman agreed and helped him in crossing the river. After crossing the river, he went to the city and gave his exam and scored good marks.
So joining everyone, I have seen 4 characters in the story. All are male of the age group of 12 to 35. All are in the positive mood. Action of my story is to take a step towards the development of the village. Sahil, at 23-year-old, completed his graduation in the electronic science from the Kushetra University and selected in the company Havels as a technical engineer. Before that, he wanted to spend some time with his family. He go to the village. There is a little development. They have to cross the river to connect with the city. So he decided to help and development in the village. So he, with the help of his grandfather, take a meeting with all the sarpanch and the panch, and also include the SDM and the video of the officer, all the officers nearby village. There is the funds and start the construction of a side-by road so that the villagers will increase the productivity of there during all the weather conditions also. Meanwhile time, he also helped in the agriculture sector by inspiring, by telling all the government initiative taken, all the schemes taken by the government, like for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and also Jal Jeevan Yojana also there. It also meanwhile help in the education sector for the children. In this way the village has developed, and by this all the nearby village also have developed, and in this way many students' life efficiency are increased. Thank you.
Yeah, Ayush.
Giant everyone, as given picture, I perceive 4 characters in the age group between 16 to 35. All are in positive mood, and my action of my story is facing problem to cross river. Rahul, a boy age of 18, lives in Palampur village. He goes to school daily with his friend Kishan, but they both were facing problem to cross river daily. They decided to talk to Sarpanch about this matter, that our village people facing problem to cross the river. So we talked to our SDM to build a bridge over the river.
Then everyone, I have seen you in this picture. All characters are made. Age between 40 to 38. The action of my story going to the school on a regularly basis from a board. The Shyam is a 14-year-old boy going to school for the exam in Hoshandabad village, crossing the Narmada river because no connectivity is available for going for the schools. For vehicle and roads are not available for going for the school. I was using the boat for going school. Sham is write a letter for a sarpanch for to build up bridge for regular basis to handle the problems to which the students regularly face. एक
ओके बेटा पांचों उंगली बराबर नहीं होती है.